Hey guys, I just got this tactical back seat organizer. I am super excited about this one because you not only get top quality in every single piece within this box, but this is going to store and organize so much stuff. So if you like to keep your car organized or want to have anything and everything possibly on hand in case of an emergency, this set is going to have it all. First, you're going to get the piece that's going to attach to the back of your car seat. It's going to have a strap. Both straps that go around the headrest and the back of the seat are going to be adjustable. As you can see, I have a very large SUV. I plan on putting this behind one of the passenger seats, and there's even a rear entertainment system in the back that this easily goes over. So you can adjust the straps on this side and this side, making it a universal fit for not only large cars, but small cars too. This entire back piece has little loops, so you can customize and interchange any of these bags that best fits your organization. And this even has a deep pocket inside of it too. Each piece of the kit is going to be made with 1000D non-woven material. Everything is double stitched, so you get top quality for every single piece. If you're looking to get a set that keeps you organized in your car or prepping in case of any and every type of emergency, this is going to be a perfect set for you. So first, you're going to get your medical bag. You're going to get a cell phone bag. You're going to get a large capacity bag, a tactical Molle pocket, and a multi-purpose bag that also includes a waist strap too that you can attach and use on the go. Come along with me as I install this in my car and show you just how versatile everything is. Okay guys, so I am a mom of two. We are super busy and run all over the place. So having something like this for me is great to keep organized for all of my kids' things, but I also have included things to use in case of an emergency whenever we are on the go. I found this extremely easy to install. I had everything installed in less than 5 minutes, and this has helped to keep my car a lot neater and more organized. Everything, including the fabric and the snaps and the zippers and the clasps, are all made with the highest quality and built to last. You guys will never need another backseat organizer again. Plus, in addition to it storing so much stuff, this also helps to protect my back seat too from any muddy footprints or dirty hands. If you guys are looking for an organizer, this is the perfect set for you. Not only do you get top-notch quality, but you get the great looks and functionality that comes with it. So what are you guys waiting for? Go ahead and check this out for yourself today.